let's talk Denver real estate market. I feel like I really needed that one in order to word vomit this update out to you guys. So, here it goes. Boy, 2022 really felt like a freshman in college, drunk, confused, and a little unstable. Half the year we experienced double-digit appreciation, tons of competition, multiple offers, thousands of dollars over list price. And the second half of the year, sellers were having to make concessions and price reductions just to get buyers to even make an offer on their home, either that or they pulled their home back off the market completely. New listings were down around 30%, under contract properties also decreased around 25%, while the amount of time a home spent on the market actually increased. Short-term stats are reflective of a pricing decrease of around 5% overall in the Denver metro area as well. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, the Denver market's going backwards, I'm losing money, I'm freaking out, I'm about to take a shot with you. Okay, fine, let's take one together, I got you. Now that we got that settled, let me shed some light on this. This stat is really just due to two different things happening right now in our market. One, seasonality. The market slows during November to December every single year. This causes homes to sell less often, and the ones that do sell for less than they normally would in the spring market. Secondly, we all know interest rates went up last year, and this affected the amount of buyers that wanted to and or could still actually afford to move, and therefore that affected demand. This in turn led sellers to having less buyers competing for their home and less multiple offer situations, etc. over Q4 of last year. While we do expect to see the Denver real estate market continue to change throughout the new year in 2023 due to the interest rates and supply issues, it continues to show strength and stability. In all honesty, December was a pretty slow-moving month, and January, well, it's lit. We typically don't see the type of activity we've been seeing until after Super Bowl Sunday or even a little later on in the spring market. Yet just within the last 2 to 3 weeks, I would say, we've started seeing multiple offers again, especially in luxury price points, with these homes getting over 10 offers and escalating severely over list price. This is likely due to the lack of inventory we are still experiencing here in Denver, with around only 1.5 months of inventory across the board and shrinking. In fact, inventory levels just went down another 2.1% this past week, decreasing inventory even more so to just 1.1 months of inventory. Economists have predicted that sales will continue to slow and housing prices will soften in many markets over the next 12 months, with larger price declines projected as well. However, just like here in Denver, national inventory shortages will likely keep prices from dropping too much as buyer demand continues to outpace our supply. For those waiting on rates to go down, keep in mind the longer you wait out the rate, the more housing prices will continue to go up, as they always do over time, as history shows us. And while you may have a higher rate now, the home prices are lower than where they will likely be in a year or two, when the rate might be slightly lower. While you can refinance the rate at any point, you just can't do that with the purchase price of a home. Now, I think we can all put the alcohol away and chill out on the shots. Just lean on those professionals that you have in your corner. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in Denver, give me a call.